Hello good people, welcome to my channel. In this video here I will be showing you how I achieved this look here using the hair that was sent to me by Nadula hair. If you are interested, continue watching and I will give you all the tea on how I created this look using this hair by Nadula. Do not forget to comment, to like and to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's get right into it. So as soon as I took the hair out of the package, I was absolutely impressed. This hair is absolutely stunning. So this comes with the baby hair hairline and it's also pre-plucked as well. And the color is gorgeous. Okay, it's the 99J, which is the red wine color just here. It's absolutely stunning, no funny smells at all. It comes in the Swiss medium brown lace just there. The lace was really easy to work with, absolutely stunning. And this on right now is without any plucking, so you can just tell the hair is absolutely stunning, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. No funny smells whatsoever. So I was really excited to go ahead and get this done. So I got this one in a 24 inches and this is the 13x4 lace. Okay, so I wanted to curl it a little bit, so I did go ahead and I just used a wand. I don't even remember where I got this wand from, but I've had it for years. Okay, and I just wanted to put in some sort of loose curls in the hair because I wanted to wear it quite full and just looking really glamorous and looking really gorgeous. The hair itself, it takes really good to heat. It doesn't sting or burn the hair at all. I left the iron on for about, I don't know, a minute max on each curl, and there was no burning smells or nothing like that. So the hair comes in the natural root to tip hair color, so the color is the same throughout the wig. You can put heat to it like you see I've done, and you can bleach it and you can dye it as well. So the wig itself comes with combs, and I just wanted to remove the comb because I am finding that with a lot of wigs it sits a lot better on my head with no comb. Okay, it sits a lot better because I actually didn't add it on here, but when you add the band on there you don't really want the comb interfering. So I did go ahead and remove the comb and I added my foundation to the lace because I didn't want to dye it. Yeah, I didn't want to dye the knots because I just felt like there was no need for me to really dye the knots because the colour on this Swiss lace was absolutely amazing. So I did, however, add my foundation to the lace just there. In terms of the delivery was pretty quick. I don't think I waited more than a week for the package to be delivered, which was really good. So the hair does come in different lengths, so it's good to check out the website just to see which one you know, you prefer. And this one is 150 density, and like I said, it's in the red wine color and it's a virgin human hair, and this one is 150 density. So like I mentioned, the hair didn't need much plucking. I did pluck just a little bit because I didn't want that boxy hairline, so I did go in and just touch it up a little bit. But if I'm 100% honest with you, it hardly needed any plucking, to my surprise. Absolutely stunning. The lace is really soft, easy to cut through as well. Okay, so just to mention, a lot of people have asked me to do a video from start to finish on how I, you know, lay and slay my wigs down, from like the bold cap method to the wigs to the techniques that I use. That video is coming. Honestly, the video is going to come. I've just had a lot going at the moment in terms of all of these contents and stuff like that I'm trying to put out, but I am going to bring the video soon, so do look out for it. For those who were interested, for me it's like, even if 10 people ask, for me it's like, okay, I need to get it done because 10 people have asked me to do it. Oh child, when I tell you this hair was so easy, so manageable to work with, hey, let me tell you, baby, this hair, like the lace was like, girl, I did not come to play no games with you, baby. I did not come to play no games with you, baby. No, honestly, I'm super gassed because I don't usually do colours. but I was really excited for this one. The color looked absolutely amazing. Oh, did you guys clock? I decided to do red eyebrows as well. I'm so extra, but yeah, I did the red eyebrows because I was like, let me just try it. Why not? Let's go ahead and do red eyebrows, girl, and let's matchity match. But yeah, no, this hair was absolutely stunning. Like, I'm not kidding. The whole entire time when installing this hair, when I tell you, there was hardly any shedding of this hair. Hardly any shedding, and that, you know, it goes for something, because hair usually does shed, but this one, I mean, I don't know if it's gonna shed in a couple weeks or whatever, or after how many wears, but when putting this hair, when installing it, there was hardly any shedding. So what I find is that it's really important to watch other YouTubers and to watch other people to see how they do things, because you can definitely learn from it. Your girl learned something. So what I've been doing now is that with my baby hair, I use my hot comb to sort of like comb the hair down. So then it's like you're placing it in position, you're putting it in position. So when it comes to laying down the baby hair, everything just happens smoothly. Okay. So that's one thing that that's one tip that I've been doing recently, and I'm finding that it's absolutely working. It's just allowing the baby hair to just sit and stay in place. Invest in a hot comb, girls and lads, or whatever. You know, girls, invest in a hot comb. Honestly, hot combs are changing lives, elevating wigs, and just taking our looks to a different level. Invest in a good hot comb. And also what I used there was the Care, which I always use anyways. I'm sure you guys know by now, but it's the Care wax stick you can get from your beauty supply shop, or your hair shop or whatever, you know. And then also I'm just using a wide tooth comb just here, just to brush out the curls just a little bit there. But yeah, this hair was just really easy, really quick to work with. I had no issues, no problems at all. I don't even think I added like any shine to it. Like, the shine that naturally comes with this hair is just amazing. Okay. Yeah, I'm just doing the finishing touches just here, going over with the hot comb just to make sure everything is laid smooth and looking absolutely delicious, absolutely gorgeous. This, I'm using the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, which I use anyways on my face. So I'm just using that to just deepen my parting just there. Yeah, I find it just makes the parting look really sharp and really clean as well. So just use your concealer and just go ahead and deepen that parting and clean it up and tidy it up or whatever. It really does make a difference. But yeah, I mean, do comment down below. Let me know what you think of my final look on this hair. Comment down below, give me, you know, ratings out of 10, what you think about this particular hair here. Do not forget to give me a massive big thumbs up for your girl, so that I know I did a great job. And also, it just helps with, you know, YouTube letting other people know that this video is banging and you found it helpful. But this is the end look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and I appreciate you guys ever so much. Do not forget to follow me over on my Instagram. You don't got to, but it will definitely be lovely to also see you over there. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sending me this lovely hair. And just to give details again, this one I got in a 24 inches, and this is in the color 99J in the red wine color. This is in the medium brown Swiss lace, absolutely stunning. And this is the 13x4. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can tell I'm a happy gal. Yes girl, get it. I'm a happy girl. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on another one. Thank you for watching. Bye.